Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. We are going to learn exercise 1.3 of integers. We are going to do this as part 1 and part 2. Part 1 deals with only numbers and part 2 deals with statement problems. Now, number 1, find each of the following products. See, before getting into the problems, we should know how multiplication works. That means positive into positive is equal to positive, negative into negative, positive. Positive into negative, negative, negative into positive, negative. If you multiply these type of numbers, positive number, positive number, positive number, negative number, you will get answer like this in addition or subtraction symbols. Okay. Now, minus 1 into 225. How to do this? Easy. See here, unlike signs, negative into positive. So, the answer, how answer will come? Minus 1 into 225. If you multiply anything with 1, you will get 225 alone. But negative into positive is negative. So, negative. This is your answer. Next problem. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. If you multiply anything with 0, you will get 0 alone. No need to multiply further. Now, minus 12, minus 11, 10. See, minus into minus. So, if you multiply these two, what you will get? 12 into 11. Minus into minus is positive alone. So, 12 into 11 gives you 132 into 10. This becomes positive. So, 1320 is your answer. Now, minus 18, minus 5, minus 4. If you multiply these two, what you will get? 18 into 5 is 90. See, minus into minus, positive. Into, no need to put plus symbol, minus 4. Positive into negative. Positive into negative gives you negative. This is equal to minus 360. See, if the number of negative signs in a product is odd, you will get the negative sign. If the number of negative signs in the product is even, you will get always positive. See, it is even. Only two negative signs are there. You are getting positive answer. If here you are getting 3 negative signs, that is odd. So, you are getting negative answers. See here. This is also by seeing itself you can tell. How many negative signs? 1, 2, 3. It is odd only, right? 3. So, your answer will come with negative sign. See, 1 into 2 is, you can multiply like this also. 1 into 2 gives you plus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Now, multiply these two. Positive into negative is negative. 2 into 3 is minus 6 into 4. Again, negative into positive. This is equal to minus 24. Now, see here, minus 3 into, see, number of negative signs, 1, 2, 3, 4, even. Even means it must be positive only. See here, answer must be positive. See, if we multiply this, 3 into 6 gives you 18. Into minus 2 into minus 1. See here, 18 into minus 2 minus 36 into minus 1. Positive into negative, negative. Now, negative 36 into negative 1 gives you 36. Second question, verify the following. By looking itself, we can easily tell this is a property. Which property it is? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. See, we are going to verify this. Minus 21 into, we have to see, like signs we need to add only. Otherwise, you can do like this. Minus 4 plus into minus is minus 6. This is equal to, negative into negative gives you positive answer. 21 into 4 gives you 84. plus 21 into 6, negative into negative, minus 21 minus 6 gives you 126. This is also positive. Now come here, minus 21 into negative 4, negative 6. So we need to add our answer. Minus 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, signs here is minus, so minus 10. This is equal to 84 plus 126, 210. Minus into minus is positive. So 21 into 10 is 210. This is equal to 210. See, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the equation is verified. It is both the sides are equal. Now third question. For any integer, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Any integer, if you take any integer, a into minus 1 into a equal to minus a. If you multiply with the negative number, also 1 means it will give you the same number alone. So minus 1 into a is equal to minus a. That's all. For example, 43 minus 1 into 43 gives you minus 43. Similarly, whatever number you have taken into 200 equal to minus 200. So negative 1 into any integer gives you negative number. Now third question, determine the integer whose product with the minus 1 is what? See, if you product these numbers with minus 1, what you will get as an answer? That is the question. Minus 1. See, negative into negative. See here, negative into negative gives you positive answer. So positive answer means plus 22. No need to put plus 22. You can just write 22. Now into minus 1. If you product this with minus 1, product means multiplication, which is equal to minus 37. Negative into positive. Into minus 1. 0 into minus 1 gives you 0 alone. 0 with any number gives you 0. Now fourth question. What is fourth question? Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 which is equal to 1. First we will write the product, then we will write the pattern. Minus 1 into 5 gives you minus 5. Again, minus 1 into 4. Minus 4. See, negative into positive. So, negative number. Using this also you can see. Minus 1 into 3. Minus 3. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 2. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 0. 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 equal to positive 1. We are just going by the number line. We reducing from 5. See 5. After 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Till there, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So, we came till here. What is the pattern we are seeing here? We need to look at it. See, this is minus 4 equal to, we can write this as, we need to give some connection between the previous multiplication and this successive one also. See here, this is minus 4. How we can do? We can use this minus 5. If you add it with 1, you will get minus 4. Similarly, for this minus 3, you can use this minus 4 plus 1. See, we are seeing some pattern now. Minus 3 plus 1 gives you minus 2. We are using previous numbers. So, this comes as a pattern for us. Minus 2 plus 1. This is equal to, you can tell, this minus 1 plus 1 gives you 0. Now, 0 plus 1 gives you the same number. So, this is the pattern we are having here. Fifth question, find the product using suitable properties. We know all the properties, right? What are all the properties we have seen? Closed property, closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. We are going to use these properties in this multiplication. Basically, these properties simplify your questions and you can give your answer in a easy way. That's why we are using all these properties. Now come to this first question, A. So what is this property, distributive property first? A into B plus C. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. A into B plus A into C. See, this A is common for both B and C. So it is here minus 48 is our A. So we are going to take out this minus 48 out. Okay, into, see, we have taken our minus 48 out. So commonly. So minus 48 into 26 plus of minus 36. Now this is A and B, again A, this is our C. See, A into B plus C. This is equal to minus 48 into, we need to see different symbols. Otherwise 26 plus into minus gives you minus 36. This is equal to minus 48 into, see, 26 minus 36. Different signs means we need to subtract. So 26 minus 36 gives you 10, but negative 10. Negative into negative, positive. The answer is 480. Now come to B subdivision. So this problem belongs to distributive property of multiplication over addition. Using this we are doing. Let us replace this 8 into 53. So 53 into 8. We can write 8 into 53 as 53 into 8 by commutative property into minus 125. Now come here. See here. This is 53 into 8. Right? This minus 125 minus 100 minus 25. Can we write like this? So 53 into, this is also distributivity of multiplication over addition only. See here, minus 8 into minus 100 plus of minus 25. Same thing, no? This is our B and this is our C. Now multiply this with the 8. 53 into 8 into minus 100 is minus 800 plus minus, so minus 200. 25 into 8 gives you 200, which is equal to 53 into 800 plus 200 gives you 1000, but the sign here is negative. See, like sign, I am adding this. So 800 plus 200 minus, this is equal to, if you, it is easily we can multiply, no? 53 into 1000 is 53000, 53,000, but negative sign, because positive into negative gives us negative sign. That's all. Now come to C subdivision, C question. 15 into, see, here we are using commutative, and in this here we are using distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now see, this is the problem. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. See, 25 into 4 gives you 100. We can use associative property here. That means associative property means grouping. So we can do this first. After multiplicating this 25 and 4, we can multiply this with minus 10. So we will do. This is associative property. So 15 into negative positive. So 25 into minus 4 gives you 100 into minus 10. This is equal to 15 into, if we multiply this to, what we will get? Minus 1000 equal to positive into negative 15,000. This is our answer. D, minus 41 into 102. See, how can we split this 102? minus 41 into 100 plus 2. Can we write like this? See here, this is distributive property of multiplication. A into B plus C. A into B plus C. How we have to do now? This minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. This is equal to, now multiplying with 100 is easy. Minus 4100, 4100. Now, see, if we multiply this, what we will get? Minus 82. We are going to see negative 4100 plus into minus gives you minus 82. Like signs we are going to add it now. So negative sign only, 4182. This is our answer. E. By looking into the question only, you can easily find this is a distributive property because we have 625 two times in this problem. So we can take this 625 out commonly. Okay. So 625 equal to 625 into first minus 35. In the first thing we are taking minus 35 plus of, instead of this negative, we have to put minus 65. Now minus 35 minus 65. See, positive into negative. This is equal to 625 into, like signs we need to add. If we add, what we will get? 100, but sign is negative. We need to multiply. This is positive and this is negative. So negative 62500. This is our answer. I can show you in detail also. See here, 625 into minus 35 plus 625 into minus 1. Can we write like that? 625 into minus 1 instead of minus 625. Both gives you minus 625 alone into 65. Now we are taking out the 625 alone. So remaining things minus 35 plus, if you multiply these two, what will you get? Minus 65. That's why we are using minus 65 here. Now f is 7 into 50 minus 2. By looking itself, it is also easy. See, 7 is common for both 50 and minus 2. But now here we are dealing with the negative symbol. So distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. A into B minus C. This is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is equal to 7 into 50 minus 2. 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. This is equal to 7 5s are 35. So 350 minus 14. This is equal to 336. So this is distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Now G, minus 17 into minus 29. If we are doing direct multiplication, it is little difficult. We need to multiply. We can do, but easy multiplication using the property. How we have to do? We can use distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. How? See here, minus 17. Keep it as it is. Now, this big number, we can write it as 1 minus 30. What is 1 minus 30? 1 minus 30 gives you minus 29. See, unlike signs, we are subtracting. 39 minus 1 gives you 29. Bigger number sign is negative, so negative 29. Now we can do it easily. Minus 17 into 1 minus, again this minus 17 into 30. This is equal to minus 17 minus, now minus 17 into 30. It will give you minus 510. Minus 17, minus into minus, plus 510. And like signs, we are going to subtract. So 510 minus 17 gives us 493, positive only, because the bigger number here is 510. So positive 493. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. So how to do this? See, 57 is common in both the terms. Okay. So minus 57 we can take it out. So minus 57 into first term we are having minus 19. In second term we are having nothing, means it is 1. So but we have taken minus 57. So here minus 1. Then only minus 57 into minus 1 makes plus 57. Okay. So this is equal to minus 57 into minus 19 plus into minus 1. This is equal to minus 57 into minus 20 equal to, see, 57 into minus 20. Now easily we can do. 57 into 2 gives us negative into negative is first positive. Okay. So this gives us 1140. That's all. See here. I think I need to tell it little nicely into minus 19. This 57 is positive. Okay. So if it is positive, but we are going to take this as negative, means we need to see 57 is equal to minus 57 into minus 1. We can have like this. So minus 57 into minus 19 plus, instead of this 57 I can write minus 57 into minus 1. Okay. Now we are taking this minus 57 out commonly into, now what we are having remaining things is minus 19 in the first term plus minus 1 in the second term. So using this only we are doing this problem. This is distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Thank you.